Setting up Arlo wire-free is fast and easy. However, if you do run into issues during the installation with motion detection or the alerts, there are some common troubleshooting tips you'll want to know. In this video, we'll review several of them. Arlo cameras have a 110-degree viewing angle. Proper positioning will ensure that you get the most out of your Arlo system. Position the camera so the space that you want to monitor is within the camera's field of view. Be sure to mount the camera at least 7 feet from the floor, aimed slightly down, and positioned for side-to-side movement across its field of view. If your camera is not detecting motion, or if it's detecting motion you don't want it to, the motion sensitivity may need to be adjusted. Use the motion detection test to find the optimal motion setting for each camera. To open the motion detection test, go to Settings, My Devices, select your camera, then click on Motion Detection Test. Start at a low setting and walk in front of the camera. Keep moving and increasing the motion detection setting until the camera's front LED indicator light starts blinking. This means the camera has detected your motion and can be set at this level. Remember, the motion detection test is simply an assessment. To change your camera's level of sensitivity, click on the Mode tab and select your base station. Then, click the pencil icon next to the mode. Tap the pencil icon to edit when motion is detected and drag the bar to adjust the motion sensitivity. In some cases, your camera may be detecting motion, but you're not receiving the alerts. In this case, either your email address is not confirmed or the alert setting is accidentally disabled in a rule. First, check this by navigating to Settings, then Profile. If you've not confirmed your email address for motion alerts, you'll see a message indicating this. Click on the Confirm link to receive a confirmation email. Open your email and complete the verification process for the email notifications to begin. If this doesn't solve the problem, check the rule settings by going to Mode, selecting a camera and tapping the pencil icon under Email Alerts. You can also add additional email addresses for receiving alerts by selecting Edit. For more troubleshooting tips, head to support.arlo.com.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
SimpliSafe is a pioneer in wireless home security. It's engineered to deliver robust whole home protection, and yet it's surprisingly simple to install and use. More than 1 million homes and over 100,000 businesses are protected by SimpliSafe. Our award-winning systems are made up of an arsenal of sensors, sirens, smart locks, and cameras that blend seamlessly into any style and size home and help protect every inch of it. And it's all backed by professional monitoring, a team of individuals who are trained to keep you and your family safe by ensuring emergency responders get to your home quickly when you need them most. At SimpliSafe, our goal is simple: to make sure you always feel safe by keeping you safe.
SimpliSafe. On.